EPD30 and EPD50 Dryfan Dehumidifiers, UK designed for the world market. Totally automatic and very safe. No need to empty water at all and works even upside down. Worldwide patented design that can be used from 104 degrees Fahrenheit even down to -4 Fahrenheit. Does not use a compressor to dry. Uses patented Dryfan zeolite technology. No water container. Water is not drained but vented away as vapor through a small duct. Not affected by power cuts, totally automatic, and safe to be left. Can be used with standard 115 volt or 60 Hz mains electricity or DC to AC converters. Probably the smallest dehumidifiers in the world. Can be hidden in cupboards, ducted and placed on shelves, ceilings, or walls. EPD30's dimensions are 8 inches by 8 inches by 8 inches with a 17-pint capacity, the size of a child's shoebox. It's equivalent to a compressor dehumidifier of 30 pints at normal room temperatures. EPD50 is 8 inches by 8 inches by 12 inches with a 25-pint capacity, the size of an adult shoebox. It's equivalent to a compressor dehumidifier of 50 pints at normal temperatures. EPD30 weighs only 11 pounds, while the EPD50 is only 14 pounds, both easy to carry. They perform better than traditional compressor dehumidifiers in many applications. At lower temperatures, EPD30 and EPD50 can work 4 times better at drying the home than a compressor. Better performance means better energy efficiency, saving money. Enough dehumidifying power to handle condensation problems in any average home or boat. Both EPD30 and EPD50 are metal in construction inside and out, trade quality. Both Ecor Pro dehumidifiers are made from strong galvanized steel with white epoxy paint. Ecor Pro dehumidifiers are all tested to ETL and high commercial standards, making them very safe. Ideal for crawl and attic spaces, garages, RVs, trailers, bathrooms, basements, and vacation homes. Safety first. Ecor Pro dehumidifiers are rated for 24/7 use, unlike most compressor dehumidifiers. EPD30 Pro and EPD50 Pro versions are dehumidifiers made from stainless steel. Stainless steel is better for keeping boats dry, as salt is highly corrosive to casings. Ecor Pro Dehumidifier Pro versions are the same dimensions as the mild steel versions. Stainless steel is also ideal for schools, hotels, restaurants, and kitchens to keep food dry. In applications such as public washrooms or kitchens, stainless steel versions are often needed. Ecor Pro Dryfan technology means there is no water to empty, only water vapor to vent away. Compressor dehumidifiers stop working at 36 degrees Fahrenheit, but Dryfan technology dries down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Low temperature drying is ideal for crawl spaces, attics, holiday homes, boats, and outbuildings. The only maintenance is periodic cleaning of the dust filter every 3 to 6 months once installed. Black line shows typical water extraction of a 50-pint normal dehumidifier at different temperatures. The blue lines show the EPD30 and EPD50 outperform normal dehumidifiers below 63 degrees Fahrenheit. Below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, compressor dehumidifiers work poorly. Ecor Pro units are often 3 times better. At 36 degrees Fahrenheit, normal dehumidifiers stop working. Ecor Pro dehumidifiers keep working, unaffected by frost. Dryfan dehumidifiers handle even colder freezing temperatures. EPD30 and EPD50 carry on drying spaces even down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Moisture still is in the air below freezing. Ecor Pro units are ideal for unheated basements, crawl spaces, garages, and attics, even boats. Features include variable humidistat control, allowing control of the humidity level. The inbuilt humidistat regulates from 10% to 90% relative humidity, 10% continuously on. An optional plug-in humidistat is ideal if dehumidifiers are placed outside of the room being dried. The remote humidistat is connected quickly via the 12-volt jack plug into the provided socket. Remote humidistats are advisable when the dehumidifier is being ducted and outside the room. EPD30 and EPD50 controls are recessed to protect them during transport. A 15-foot power cord length makes for easy connection. It's easy to carry with one hand, so it's ideal for taking on and off boats. 4 anti-scratch plastic feet can be used as screw points to secure EPD30 and EPD50. There's no need to buy additional wall brackets for the installation. Screws or other fixings are not supplied. EPD30 and EPD50 can be placed flat on a shelf, on their sides, on a wall, or upside down on a ceiling. Both EPD30 and EPD50 dehumidifiers are small, so they can be ducted and are easy to conceal in most rooms. EPD30 has an axial fan, similar to a large computer, 49 decibels. EPD50 uses a more powerful turbo blower fan, 52 decibels. Wet and dusty air is drawn into both dehumidifiers and is first filtered by the foam filter. This filter will need periodic cleaning, but is very easy to access. Depending on the space being dried, clean by vacuuming or gentle washing every 3 to 6 months. 85% of the air passing into the dehumidifier is dried and put back slightly heated into the room. The other 15% of the air contains all the water, and this can be vented to the outside. The exhausted air is ducted, usually via a 1.5-inch hose. Fit wider ducting if longer exhausts are needed. Wet air out is exhausted as hot vapor and can even be vented vertically, ideal for basements. Diameter of the exhaust is similar to domestic wastewater pipes. Wastewater pipes are smooth and make ideal vent pipes, but flexible ducting can also be used. EPD30 and EPD50 both have duct flange air inlets of 5 inches if ducting needs to be added. EPD50 has a 5-inch dry air out flange fitted, allowing dry air to be ducted also. EPD30 does not have a dry air out flange fitted. EPD30 is mostly positioned in the room being dried. EPD50 has a turbofan, so is more easily used for fully ducted systems built into voids or ceilings. Prevent condensation returning into the dehumidifiers with insulation on the exhaust if needed. Wet air out on long exhausts can cause water to condense inside the exhaust if not insulated. Decline the exhaust duct to allow any condensation to run away from the dehumidifier if needed. Keep any ducting as short as possible with few turns to maximize dehumidifying efficiency. Using wider ducting than normal will allow longer duct lengths to be added and improve efficiency. EPD50 is most widely used in applications if user wishes to conceal the dehumidifier out of sight. With a remote humidistat, the EPD50 can be used totally out of sight in cupboards or voids. EPD50 is perfect for washrooms, building into furniture, under boat seating areas, or any home. EPD50. EPD30. EPD30 1.5-inch exhaust can be ducted up to 24 inches without affecting performance. EPD30 5-inch air inlet can be ducted up to 3 feet without affecting performance. It automatically reduces the power consumed if longer duct lengths are added, but extraction will also fall. EPD50 1.5-inch wet air exhaust can be up to 3 feet without affecting performance. EPD50 5-inch air inlet or 5-inch dry air outlet can be up to 15 feet without affecting performance. Again, longer duct lengths can be added. The EPD50 will automatically power adjust. Flexible ducting can also be used, but this is slightly less efficient than hard pipe ducts. DryFan zeolite technology is an alternative to home extractor fans. Extractors have high airflows, so often extract a large amount of energy, making them cost inefficient. EPD30 and EPD50 can save money using them as an alternative to an in-home extractor. There are many other applications of Ecor Pro Dryfan technology. Ecor Pro Dryfan technology keeps anything that is affected by moisture dry all day and every day. It's ideal for protecting commercial storage of food, electronics, retail stock, and vehicle protection. It's perfect for protecting motel rooms, public washrooms, shop stock storage, and small farm buildings. Protect your home from the harmful effects of condensation. Save money over alternative drying solutions with the brand new Ecor Pro Dryfan technology. No need to empty water and very safe. The next generation of dehumidifiers, only from Ecor Pro.